Welcome back, vision enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a refreshing exploration of the top drinks that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also serve as a powerful ally in maintaining and enhancing your precious eyesight. From the delightful classics to the surprising newcomers, we've compiled a list of beverages that are backed by scientific research for their eye-boosting benefits. So, grab your favorite glass and let's toast to healthy eyesight. Number 1. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Studies have shown that consuming beta-carotene-rich foods like carrots can lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration (AMD). So, sip on some carrot juice to give your eyes the nourishment they need. Number 2. Spinach smoothies. Spinach is a powerhouse of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of AMD. Blend up some spinach into your smoothie for a vision-boosting treat. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients for eye health. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, potent antioxidants that have been studied for their protective effects against various eye diseases, including glaucoma. Catechins help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes, preserving retinal function and supporting overall eye health. Number 4. Milk. Milk is a rich source of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low-light conditions. Vitamin A supports the production of rhodopsin, pigment in the retina that is essential for night vision. Regular consumption of milk helps prevent vitamin A deficiency and reduces the risk of night blindness and other eye disorders. Number 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is another excellent source of vitamin A, providing similar benefits to milk for eye health. Vitamin A plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the cornea and supporting the production of tears, which are essential for lubricating the eyes and preventing dryness. Number 6. Orange juice. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Vitamin C supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of retinal damage and improving overall eye function. Regular consumption of orange juice has been associated with the reduced risk of cataracts and AMD. Hello, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you're finding this educational material helpful, it would greatly benefit the channel if you could hit the subscribe button and enable notifications. This way, you'll be promptly notified whenever I release new videos like this. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. So, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. It's quick, free, and immensely appreciated. Thank you very much for your support. Now, let's dive back into the video. Number 7. Blueberry smoothies. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, flavonoid antioxidants that have been shown to improve vision and protect against age-related eye diseases. Anthocyanins help enhance blood flow to the retina, reduce inflammation, and improve visual acuity. Incorporating blueberry smoothies into your diet provides a delicious way to support optimal eye health. Number 8. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid antioxidant that has been studied for its protective effects on the eyes. Lycopene helps neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Regular consumption of tomato juice has been associated with the reduced risk of cataracts and AMD. Number 9. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is high in nitrates, compounds that have been shown to improve blood flow to the eyes and enhance visual function. Nitric oxide, a byproduct of nitrate metabolism, helps dilate blood vessels in the eyes, increasing oxygen and nutrient delivery to the retina. Incorporating beetroot juice into your diet may help support healthy blood circulation in the eyes. Number 10. Kale smoothies. Kale is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are crucial for maintaining macular health and protecting against AMD. These compounds help absorb harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and prevent damage to the retina. Regular consumption of kale smoothies can provide a concentrated source of these beneficial nutrients for optimal eye health. Number 11. Cranberry juice. Cranberries are rich in vitamin C and quercetin, antioxidants that help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. Vitamin C supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes, while quercetin helps reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. Regular consumption of cranberry juice may help maintain optimal eye health and function. Number 12. Almond milk. Almond milk is a dairy-free alternative rich in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Vitamin E helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes in the eyes, reducing the risk of cataracts and AMD. Incorporating almond milk into your diet provides a delicious way to support optimal eye health. In addition, while water may not directly provide specific nutrients for eye health like other beverages, its role in maintaining hydration is fundamental for overall eye health and function. By staying properly hydrated, individuals can support the moisture balance in their eyes, prevent dryness, promote clear vision, and reduce the risk of eye discomfort and fatigue. Therefore, drinking an adequate amount of water each day is essential for maintaining optimal eye health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please consider showing your support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing the video with your loved ones.